Okay, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Bought a lot of tools off of another surplus auction. I paid $13.94 out the door for this lot. Probably wouldn't have bought it, but there was another lot of tools there that I was bidding on, and I had the high bid on this already at $11, and the other lot of tools went crazy, and some guy paid like $294 for about $200 worth of tools. So that does happen on these auctions. Some guys just bid until they win. Doesn't matter the cost. I don't know, it's kind of crazy to me, but let me show you what I got. Okay. Right here we got a couple ratchet straps. Kind of look like they've never been used. This is some kind of multi-tool. Another one made in China. Probably doesn't have a lot of value. Real nice pouch though. But I don't know what's missing out of there. We got a Black & Decker stapler. So this is another multi-tool tire pressure gauge, maybe. Takes batteries. Some Black & Decker staples. This is a precision screwdriver set with a couple of little pliers. Probably made in China. Let's see, there's another one of those. Looks like, yeah, same exact thing. This claw hammer. Oh, it's a Stanley. Good handle on it. Not bad. I've got a Sure Bonder stapler, 3-in-1. I've had these before. Pretty nice little stapler. Rubber mallet. Power Master. Got a hacksaw here, Pro Series, by KR Tools. Looks like a pretty nice unit. And here's there are two Craftsman strap wrenches. Always handy to have around. We've got 3 clamps. Got a little garden hose sprayer. Turn to spray. Some touch-up paint. Got a brand new set of Tecton hex key wrench set. Got the ball on the bottom. 13 wrenches. Set 25262. Imagine this one piece here would probably pay for the whole box. Well, got a box of staples there. Make sure they're closed before I flip it out there. Got a little Westcraft tape measure. Roll of tying wire. It's a Sheffield multi-tool. Looks like a pretty nice unit. Looks like it's got 2, 3, 4, 5 blades there, and 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 tools there. Just the wires. About 11, 12 piece. And here we got a Leatherman Micra with the scissors. It's got a tweezers, screwdrivers, bottle openers, can openers, little file there, and the blade. Handy little tool, just don't bring them on the airplane with you. They'll take them away. Probably the most valuable thing in there right there. So like I said, guys, altogether, that's it for that box. Altogether, that was $13.94. You think I did good? Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. And until the next one, you all have a great week. Thanks for watching.